Let's talk about Smartsheet versus Airtable business plan software. So those two are project management tools. They have business plan functionality, so you can use them to write business plans. You can use them for business planning and all kinds of activities that revolve around business planning. So here's a presentation I want you to think about. So Smartsheet and Airtable are two software as a service options. They're often used to manage projects or keep track of other data such as expenses or customer feedback. So right then and there, we have the first element. We have a SaaS option. So if you are thinking about using Smartsheet or Airtable to write your business plan or for business planning activities, you don't have to download anything because those two tools are SaaS options, okay? And each can integrate with other tools and can be customized to unlock more capabilities and different types of uses. Again, everything that revolves around writing a business plan, especially when it comes to larger teams, you are going to find Smartsheet and Airtable very interesting. And both Airtable and Smartsheet can be considered project management tools as well as more robust and advanced operational tools, especially when it comes to business planning. And when we talk about business plan software in relation to Smartable or Smartsheet and Airtable, I want you to think about the fact that we're speaking about the larger realm of business planning. So everything around investor presentation, okay? Everything around business planning, everything around financial reports, anything that revolves around business planning at the company level, you will find Smartsheet or Airtable very interesting when it comes to that. So when you think about Smartsheet and Airtable, think about the fact that you are going to use the tool no matter where you are located or no matter where your teams are located. So being SaaS tools, anybody can log into the platform, not a problem. You don't have to download anything, which means what? It means that from a scalability perspective, those two tools are pretty great because when you have a SaaS option, whether you have a small business, a micro business, or a large enterprise, the ability to actually unlock new capabilities is faster. It happens more quickly when you have a SaaS tool versus a desktop tool. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. I really want to dig a little deeper when it comes to Smartsheet here. So we're talking here about Smartsheet business plan software. And the thing here is that when you think about Smartsheet, I want you to think about a spreadsheet-based cloud software that aims to help teams plan, track, and manage their projects, especially when it comes to business planning. And Smartsheet actually offers an array of traditional project management tools in a very easy-to-use interface that many people will find familiar. And the tool offers a number of collaboration tools to help project managers and business plan writers and other teams work efficiently on similar tasks and specific subtasks. So when it comes to granularity, we love the level of granularity that Smartsheet offers, especially because of the spreadsheet sort of oriented platform. So whether you're looking for a simple or more robust project management tool that helps you write a business plan, you will love Smartsheet because Smartsheet could actually potentially be the right solution for every situation. And while it can work pretty well right out the box, it also has a number of integration and customization options that can help take your project management and your business plan writing activities to the next level. Let's first talk about the pros and cons of Smartsheet when it comes to business plan writing and investor presentation, reports, everything that revolves around the writing of business documents. You will love actually Smartsheet. So let's go through the pros and cons here. Pros, it's a very easy to learn and use. They have strong customer support and you have strong traditional project management features. So if you are writing a business plan, you will love to actually dabble a little bit into project management, you will love Smartsheet. What about the cons? Well, the basic, Smartsheet does have, I'll speak about the pricing later on, but they do have basic tiers, and the basic tier is limited. And you have fewer third-party integrations compared to Airtable, for instance. And when it comes to working offline, if you have a team that needs to work offline using Smartsheet, this is not happening. Okay, you cannot work offline You have to be constantly logged in. You have to be connected to the internet. So this is a little bummer in our view. Let's talk about Airtable here. So when you think about Airtable business plan software, what should you really think about? Well, Airtable, similar to Smartsheet, is a cloud-based solution that targets small to mid-sized businesses, individuals, or smaller teams with a larger business. Okay, so basically, when you think about Airtable versus Smartsheet, Airtable is more granular here, and so Airtable actually focuses on collecting, organizing, and collaborating on specific data. So if you are working on a business plan, or you're working on a project on corporate reports, and you want to have like a specific data, you want to focus on specific data, you will love Airtable. And the spreadsheet format for collecting and organizing the data is familiar to many and very easy to maneuver. So where Airtable really shines is its ability to be customized to fit your needs. So when we talk about, so whether you're working on an investor pitch or a business plan or all kinds of reports, you will love Airtable because you can actually customize the tool. And the software integrates with numerous other products, as well as offers a huge variety of templates to choose from, so including the business plan template, the investor pitch template, and all kinds of templates. Okay, and you are able to actually because you're able to avail yourself of the larger area of templates because Airtable has a large community of users. So while it can be difficult to learn how to properly customize the software, once you do, it's very easy to use and a very powerful and satisfying tool to use as well. Let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of Airtable business plan software. First of all, the pros. So you have a large database and community of templates, including business plan templates, including financial plan templates. And the tool is very easy to use once you learn it. So there is a slight learning curve at the beginning. So you can't just get it, right off the bat. And this tool has a powerful customization and capabilities. What about the cons here? Well, you have less project management specific features, and there's a learning curve to get the most out of it when you start. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Smartsheet versus Airtable business plan software. Let me give you the details here. So when you think about Smartsheet and Airtable, how do they actually stack up? I want you to look right now on the screen here. Here is the pricing for a Smartsheet. As of the date of this show, you can see that Smartsheet actually has a pretty straightforward pricing structure. You have the free, the pro, the business, and the enterprise. The enterprise, you have to contact customer service or sales. So they have a clear idea what your needs are. So they can actually quote you accordingly. What we love about Smartsheet is that it's pretty straightforward. They're not really trying to complicate things here. And most people, including small businesses, will love the pro plan. Pro plan will cost you $7 per month per user, billed yearly. Now, when you think about Airtable, I want you to look right now on the screen here. Here is the pricing for Airtable as of the date of this show. And you can see that Airtable seems to be a little more expensive when it comes to pricing here. So Airtable has a free version similar to Smartsheet, but you also have a team and you have a business. So Airtable seems to be more in tune or more in sync with the needs of small to medium-sized businesses. So if you are a freelancer and you want to write a business plan, we would say that when it comes to pricing only, Smartsheet seems to be a better option because it's cheaper. You can see that. If you remember, when we showed the pricing for Smartsheet, you have $7. Okay, you have let me go back to so you have $7 and $25. The business plan is costing you $25, whereas Airtable is charging you $45 for the business plan. So something you need to really think about. And there is a free trial of 30 days with Smartsheet, and Airtable does have a free forever plan. Okay, so that's a little difference here. So Airtable has a free forever plan, But for Smartsheet, you only have 30 days free trial to test out the product, to actually get your feet wet, so to speak. And if you like it, you can actually, and during the free trial, they're not asking you any credit card. So you don't have to input your credit card info to actually use the product. So this is really good. So we're still comparing and contrasting Smartsheet versus Airtable business plan software. And I really want to dwell on two features that are important when it comes to writing a business plan. So you have project management features and the drag and drop. So the cool thing is, when we talk about drag and drop, for instance, both Smartsheet and Airtable, they do offer a lot of functionalities to help you actually drag and drop all elements that are quintessential to your business plan. In other words, you don't have to construct things from the ground up. Okay, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, so to speak. The wheel has already been invented for you. You just need to customize that wheel to suit your needs. Okay, so the drag and drop functionalities that are available in both tools are pretty good. So whether you are using Smartsheet or Airtable to write a business plan, you are able to find tools to drag and drop all kinds of functionalities, including financial reports. What about project management features? This is where Smartsheet, in our view, actually shines more, because the Smartsheet has task prioritization, individual assignments, you have recurring tasks, and more robust project management features. And here we're speaking about the larger congregation of project management features, not just business plan writing activities. So that's for Smartsheet. What about Airtable? Now, Airtable only has task prioritization, individual assignments, and recurring tasks. So in our view, when it comes to project management features, Smartsheet is way better. It has more in-depth and broader features, especially when it comes to the feedback and the review process that relates to all business plans. And again, when we talk about business plans here, we're not speaking about the kind of documents that only startups write, right? You can be an established business and still write a business plan. You can be an established business, and let's say you want to invest in a new activity or a new project, and you want to do some feasibility reports. You want to do some kind of due diligence. So the thing here is that you can use either tool to sort of advance in your activity. So this is really important. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Smartsheet versus the Airtable, and we're comparing and contrasting those two from a business plan software capability. And I want to look at three other, let's say, criteria here. So we have customization, templates, and customer support. So when you think about Smartsheet versus Airtable, there are some interesting things you need to really know. First of all, in terms of customization, with a Smartsheet, you can customize sheets and the appearance of a form. So every sheet, every form that will go into a business plan that you are writing, you can customize it within Smartsheet, not a problem. Okay, let's say for instance you want to create a balance sheet, and you would like to have the balance sheet in a certain format. You can certainly do that with no problem in Smartsheet. What about Airtable? Well, Airtable has strong customization options that unlock more capabilities than sticking to a single sheet of data. Okay. In terms of templates, Smartsheet Smartsheet offers a number of pre-built templates, and you can create your own. So when we speak about business plan, for instance, you have a business plan templates within Smartsheet, but you can also create from scratch a business plan template that you can use later on in your projects. When it comes to Airtable, you can unlock the power of the Airtable community and access hundreds of templates. So from a templates perspective, Smartsheet seems to win a little bit in our view. What about customer support? Smartsheet actually wins here too, because they do have 24/7 global phone support, excellent customer reviews. What about Airtable? No. With Airtable, you have no phone support. They will respond within 1 to 2 business days via email. So if you're working on an important business plan activity or a project, and you have multiple teams that need, let's say, urgent answers, Airtable seems to be AWOL here. They seem to go AWOL. They don't get back to you. They're not really responsive, okay? And so both Smartsheet and Airtable are strong project management options when it comes to business plan software. Both offer free trials so you can play around with each tool to actually see which one might fit your need, okay? And each interface is intuitive, powerful, and simple to use out of the box. Both offer drag and drop features and the basic capabilities of project management that revolves around business plan writing. And but overall, we just think that the Smartsheet is a little better because they do excel in customer service, where you can you actually can get access to a live person via phone at any time of any day. This is huge compared to Airtable, which only offers email support. And plus, just about every customer review across the web speaks highly of the help they have been able to receive from their live support team. Okay. On the other hand, Airtable excels at customization and the ability to get access to a template for just about any use case for the software. Okay, this is really something to really keep in mind. So what is our verdict here? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you are thinking about Smartsheet versus Airtable business plan software, you gotta really think about a constellation of factors, okay? And those factors are all unique to your own business or individual needs. What kind of business plan do you want to write? What kind of depth or breadth are you looking for? Are you looking for a simple investor presentation or an in-depth investor pitch, okay? And both Smartsheet and Airtable can be great tools that are helpful to a number of different use cases, including business plan writing. And discovering the right software for your situation might take some time and effort trying each out before making a final decision. Now, one thing I want to say here is that, having said that, Smartsheet, in our view, is going to be typically a great fit for those who need a robust project management tool only for business plan writing. Anyone wanting advanced PM capabilities around business plan writing will find Smartsheet to be a strong solution. And Airtable, on the other hand, is a better fit for those needing to customize the software to fit their unique needs. And Airtable can customize a solution that takes your data from collection to an organized data so that you can collaborate with and use. But what's really important to remember here is that Smartsheet actually offers live customer support. So if you are thinking about writing a business plan, any kind of organization or organizational report, and you want to be able to reach out to a customer service rep if there is a problem, then you want to go with Smartsheet, because with Airtable, as I said, they do not have that sort of live support. And the cool thing is that Airtable does integrate very well with Smartsheet. So if you want to have those two tools together, that's kind of fine too. Airtable and Smartsheet can actually integrate together through the use of Zapier, which helps you send information back and forth. Okay, this is helpful for teams to work together on a single project if each uses one of the tools. And Zapier can be connected and ready to go within a few minutes. So this is really cool. And so whether you should go with Airtable or Smartsheet for business plan writing depends on a number of factors. They are unique to you and your businesses, okay? And so this is kind of important to really think about. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just talking to you about Smartsheet versus Airtable business plan software. This was a quick compare and contrast. So I gave you the presentation, the details, and the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.